Good morning, guys. I'm out here this morning gonna do some repair and maintenance on my lawnmower. I was clearing out a space over here and hit a rock. The lawnmower shut down and it started vibrating quite heavily. This particular model is the Troy Bilt TB270 XP. So I flipped it over and the blade was pretty tore up. And I discovered also the reason it was vibrating so bad. I took out the old, it's back in there right now, but this is the blade adapter, and it has a key inside of it. I don't know if you can see that. But the blade, the key looks like it got tore up, and it's not holding like it's supposed to. So I purchased a new one, and for this particular model, it's pretty tough to find. I would put this in the search, and it would go from $260 to $280. So for this, I got these parts from the Troy Bilt website. So I got a new filter. This is to hold the blade on. That's the blade adapter. So these are the parts that I'm going to be swapping out today. Well, let me get this flipped over so you can see. There's quite a bit of damage. Blade itself has tore up and bent. So I did already take this apart to inspect it, but I can't tighten it together. This cover here has the two bolts, and like I said, I already took it apart, so it's so easy to get it off because you can tighten it back on. I noticed these are a little tore up too. It's got a bit of rust. And this shaft and the slot right here that goes all the way, and then two short ones here. So you want to get that out. On this side. these things in here, and you want to squeeze this to get it routed in between there. You might try to get in the way of here when you're dropping it on there. So. Three. Start cutting edge. You want to put bottom. This one. 16. Okay, the other thing I wanted to do is swap out the filter. Just look at this. Pretty. Dirty. Pretty simple. So, pretty simple process. I'm gonna, these new blades, it was a 2-pack. I think it was like $30, $25.99. Yeah, $25.99, so 26 for 2. And this is new. I never had that kind before. You can see this on the solid. Pretty interesting to see how well it works. Okay. So I thought we'd give this a try. Before it was, when I tried to restart it, it was vibrating, quite a bit, and then the engine would just shut down. So I want to go ahead and give this a try and see how it's working now. So did take down that was pretty, it's wet out here because I'm out here early this morning. But it's running, it's working. One pass. Got some pretty tall grass. Looks like we're good to go.